Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, but they could not buy this tablet during Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale or Flipkart's Diwali sale, so they actually want to know about this tablet more and more. In this video, I will talk about the note-taking capability of this tablet. Actually, many students want to buy this tablet only because they want to take good notes on their tablet. Actually, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus has the best features in the Notes app, and you don't have to buy or you don't have to install any other apps to take notes on your tablet. Plus, S Pen comes free of cost inside this box, so it is an added advantage for the students. They don't have to pay extra amount to buy the S Pen. In Galaxy tablet, using S Pen, you can create notes, view notes, smart select, screen write, and many other options are there. Suppose you want to write on the screen, and in this way you can take the screenshot and then you can start writing on the screen. This is a very handy features. It gives you a liberty to take screenshot anytime, anywhere with your S Pen, and you can write anything on it. Also, you can edit the page. Actually, Samsung Galaxy tablet has a very good note app. If you open the note app, you will get the interface like this, and now you can start writing, and the writing experience is very good. You will feel that you are writing on paper. However, this is not the kind of experience that I got on iPad 10th generation, because in third-party pencil you cannot feel the same experience as you can feel with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus with S Pen. As the display is 12.4 inches, you will get a large area to write on, and if you are a student, this tablet will definitely be helpful in your note taking. Though it is only a normal S Pen, it doesn't take any charging, and also there is no latency issue. However, the Pro series tablets or the Ultra series tablets has better S Pen, but this is not a premium tablet, so you will get the regular S Pen along with this tablet. However, there is no complaining about the note-taking experience using this S Pen. There are other options too. If you click on this, it will open the book mode. In this mode, you can read anything, but you cannot edit anything or you cannot write anything. In order to escape this feature, you have to write again to deactivate the book mode. Now, there are other options. If you click on this three dot, you can see that you can set the page layout. There are various types of page layout, so you can adjust or you can select according to your need. And again, if you click on this three dot, there are background color. You can change the color of the background, and it gives a very fresh look. As you can see here, in this way you can change the color, and there are multiple colors that you actually can use on this note app, so it gives a very fresh feeling while using these types of background colors. One thing you must know that you can zoom the page, but in iPad or iPad Note app you cannot do that. There is no option of zooming, so this is a very good option. Now if you again click on this, you can tags, save file or share anything according to your preference. Suppose you are a student and you want to insert something from the website, then you have to open this Samsung Explorer or Samsung Internet. Here you can search anything and then drag and drop object. Suppose I will insert here GSM Arena. This is a mobile related website, and here you can open this website, and then suppose I want to insert some image from this website. So now let's click on this link and it will open the whole website, and on opening the first page you can see there is a product or device by the name Nubia, and I will drag and drop this object in my Note app. So I have to press and hold like this and then drag the object into my Note app, and now I can adjust the size of this image according to my need, and then if I want I can also link or I can insert the whole web page on this Note app, but I will not do so now. Now I want to write something on it, so this will open the writing area, and now you can write and it will convert into text mode. Actually this is the scribble feature in iPad 10th generation or any other iPad, but in Samsung you can do like this and it will automatically translate or it will automatically turn into text. Using this split window you can create your notes, or you can drag any text or any image from any website into your Note app. So this is a very handy features for the students. So these are some features that you actually can use on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus using your S Pen. And as the S Pen comes free of cost inside this box, a lot of users actually want to buy this tablet other than iPad. Plus it has 128 GB of internal storage, that is an added advantage for the students. And if you buy iPad 10th generation, in that case you will get only 64 GB of internal storage. However, iPad 10th generation is not a bad device, it is a great device, you cannot deny that. But if it comes to note-taking experience, I think Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus has an edge over iPad 10th generation. If you use iPad 10th generation, you might have need of Good Notes, that is actually not a free app. You have to pay around 1500 rupees for 1 year subscription. But in case of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, the Samsung's default Note app is very intuitive and feature rich. You will get all the things that you want or that you need as a student while taking notes and doing any other stuffs using the S Pen. So what's your thought regarding this tablet? If you want to buy this tablet with offers, you can subscribe the channel. I will tell you about the best offers whenever there is a deal on this tablet or any other tablet in Flipkart and Amazon.in. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.